my dear, I do tell you in English about an editor, that how can we start editing in the editor over there. In order to start editing in the editor over there, my dear, you need to follow 2 steps over there. The first step over there, that one is you have to open or start ArcMap software onto your machine. That one might be your computer, or that one might be your laptop. In the second step, my dear, you need to open the editor tool menu over there. Once you have opened the editor tool menu, you will have to select option that must be the start editing option from the menu. Okay, my dear. Now it's very important over there that I'm going to tell you with the help of the simulation. My dear, in the very first step over there, we need to open or start ArcMap software over there onto our machine or onto our computer or laptop. My dear, when you will open or start your ArcMap software over there, a window will appear over there, and that window will be the same as a window that is being displayed right now onto the screen over there before you. Mr. Zainali, can you watch over there?
Yes, sir, I can watch.
A window that you are watching right now onto the screen. This window is the window of ArcMap software. My dear, in the second step, you have to follow the instruction over there that I am going to tell you. You need to open editor tool menu over there first of all, and then you need to get start editing done over there in the editor tool. Okay, my dear. Mr. Zainali, are you there?
Yes, sir, I am there.
My dear, if you see over there, now a question to you, Mr. Zainali.
Yes, sir.
In the second step, we need to open editor tool menu. Do you know how to open editor tool menu?
No, sir.
In order to open editor tool menu over there, we need to click on to the down arrow over there, followed by the editor label over there in the editor. Right now, Mr. Zainali, can you watch over there the down arrow over there?
Yes, sir.
Followed by the editor label over there. This one is the down arrow over there. You need to click this one. And I am pointing this one by the arrow. This one is the down arrow. My dear, now I'm going to tell you with the help of the simulation over here. My dear, in order to open editor tool menu over here, we need to do one thing over there. That is, we need to click on to the down arrow followed by the editor label in the editor tool over here. Right now, Mr. Zainali, are you there?
Yes, sir, I am there.
You can watch over there. Mouse pointer is over the down arrow followed by the editor. Is it so or not?
Sir, I can see that.
If your permission, okay, if your permission is there, do I click on to the down arrow here?
Yes, sir, please click.
Okay, my dear, when I will click on to the down arrow, that is followed by the editor label in the editor tool over there, a menu will appear over there. That one is known as the editor tool menu. Your permission is there? I am going to click. Okay, I am going to click this one. And right now, you can watch over there. A menu has been appeared over here in the form of list of options. And my dear, when you will get start editing on over there, what will be done here? You are going to start an edit session so that you can edit features or attributes over there in the editor to a shape file over there. Yes, if your permission is there, do I click onto the start editing option over there, Mr. Zainali?
Yes, sir, please.
I'm going to click this one. Okay. Once we have done start editing over there in the editor over there in the ArcMap software, you can watch over there the editor like this. Okay, some of the tools within the editor tool you can watch over there that are enabled over here after getting start editing done over there in the editor over here.